Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all had a great Christmas and we are all waiting for New Year's. Happy New Year everyone, and hope you have a great 2019. Today I'm going to show you how to make a face or a body scrub for oily and dry skin, and watch till the end to see how to apply it on your face or body. And also this is for both girls and boys, so boys, please do not feel hesitant in trying this because all these ingredients are available in your house and you can give it a try. You want an instant glow when you go out for a party. This is the scrub for dry skin. Sorry, this is for dry skin, and I added 1 teaspoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of coffee powder, and 3 to 4 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. I'm going to mix this until I get the consistency that I want, and in the end I prefer this consistency, which is a little watery. It drips off from the spoon. That's the consistency that I want, and you can vary the consistency and vary the oil as well that you want to try on your face. So now let's get started with the scrub for oily skin. So I use the same ingredients, just tweaking the last ingredient. That's the best part of the scrub. So if there are 2 people in the house, one with dry skin and the other with oily skin, you can make these 2 scrubs in very quickly without many ingredients and all of that. So I added 1 teaspoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of coffee, and 3 to 4 tablespoons of honey instead of olive oil. And you'll get the consistency as you can see, it's dripping off. That's the consistency that I want. So we have 2 scrubs, one for oily skin and one for dry skin. So I'll tell you how to go ahead and apply this. Wash your face with lukewarm water with the DIY face wash. I'll leave a link for that face wash on the top right corner of this video. Let your face air dry, and your face should be semi-dry. It shouldn't be completely dry. Apply the scrub in circular motions for about 5 to 8 minutes. Give your face a good massage. You can use this as a body scrub as well, once in a week. Ideally, I use it twice a week. And you can store these scrubs in an airtight container for up to 10 days. So you need not prepare it every time you want to use it. And if you have acne, please make sure that you do not rub very hard on your face, because it can cause more redness. After that, wash your face with cold water and pat dry your face, and make sure you apply a moisturizer. I use the DIY facial oil. I'll leave a link for that as well on the top right corner. You can see all the blackheads have been removed and you get an instant glow. So if you like my channel, please go ahead, like, comment and subscribe on the video, and follow me on Facebook.